everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the TASCAM DP-004C portable 4-track digital PocketStudio recorder, the Jantoy 5FT USB data PC cable cord lead. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed to ensure seamless data transfer and connectivity for your beloved TASCAM device. One of the first things that stands out about this Jant cable is its commitment to durability. Crafted from what are described as the finest materials, it promises a lifespan that surpasses many other options on the market. This focus on robust construction means users can expect a reliable connection for a long time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Beyond just lasting longer, the design also incorporates energy-saving and power-saving features, making it a smart and efficient choice for your recording setup. The attention to detail in its construction is evident. The cable itself is soft and bendable, which is a huge plus for portability and ease of use. No more wrestling with stiff, uncooperative cords. Furthermore, it features smooth, rounded corners, indicating a thoughtful design that considers both aesthetics and practical handling. This particular power cord is presented as a perfect replacement, manufactured with quality materials and rigorously tested by the manufacturer, ensuring it meets high standards of performance and safety. Weighing in at a mere 2 ounces and boasting a special feature of being portable, this black cable is an ideal companion for the TASCAM DP-004C, which itself is designed for on-the-go recording. Its 5-foot length offers a good balance between reach and manageability, providing enough slack without creating excessive clutter. Now, a crucial point for any potential buyer, and one that the manufacturer rightly highlights, is the importance of compatibility. Before making a purchase, it is always advised to carefully check whether the voltage requirements of your appliance match the adapter, as a mismatch could lead to unavailability or even damage. Similarly, confirming that the adapter port size aligns with your device is essential to ensure a snug and functional connection. This diligence ensures a hassle-free experience right out of the package. Speaking of the package, it's straightforward. You receive one high-quality cable. This Jante cable aims to be a dependable workhorse, facilitating everything from transferring your recorded tracks to a computer to managing your PocketStudio's data. For TASCAM DP-004C owners looking for a reliable, durable, and well-designed USB cable, this offering from Jantoy certainly presents itself as a strong contender. Its blend of quality materials, thoughtful design, and focus on longevity makes it a valuable addition to any mobile recording setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.